Hey there, I'm David.
And I'm Angelique.
And we are
Adventures
Adventures on
on
Deck.
Deck.
And today, cruise countdown time.
Time for a wedding.
Okay, guys, so for those of you who don't know, we are getting married right before we get on the Carnival Breeze, and that's coming up very soon here on February the 5th. So the original plan was to get married last November on the ship, but Carnival had canceled all weddings and pushed them back out till this year. And then once we rescheduled for February, we got word that they were canceling all weddings indefinitely. So we kind of had to scramble. We kind of had to figure out like what we were going to do. And so we had a few different options. We already had this cruise booked with all of our friends and family. And so we decided that, you know what, let's just go through and find a way to get married that morning and then just celebrate on the ships. And so that's what we did. So we booked a place down in Galveston. We're going to be getting married there right before we get on the ship. And then we're driving, to the cruise ship and getting on like minutes after we get married. So
After we say
that's
I do.
yeah. So that's the plan. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun and everything. So anyway, so that's where we're at. So if you want to stay up to date with what we're doing, we're going to try to do a video every day. I don't know if we're going to quite get there, but we'll try. But there'll be multiple videos between now. Yeah, there'll be multiple videos between now and the day that we sail. So if you want to hear more about the wedding and or the cruise that we're going on, make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys are thinking about everything. But yeah, so that's the plan. So let's get into it.
All right. So first, let's tackle what we've done so far, what we've already booked or reserved. The first thing we did once we booked the cruise was booked Mr. Sancho's because we knew that that's where we wanted to go. So those reservations have been in for quite some time.
Months.
Yeah.
Months.
And
we had to change them though recently because we changed our ports. Carnival changed our ports around.
Yeah.
So we were supposed to go to Yucatan and then Cozumel. Now we're flipping those. So we had to contact Mr. Sancho's and they were amazing.
Oh, yeah.
They sent an email right back right away saying, hey, no problem. We'll send you the new confirmation code or the new itinerary or whatever it is. And so they sent us a new one showing the correct date of when we're going to be there. So thank you guys, Mr. Sancho's. You guys are awesome.
Yes, absolutely. And then we booked parking. We have all of that handled for everyone in our caravan.
Quite a bit of people.
We've also gone through and scheduled tests because we are that close. For us, there's a local pharmacy chain that you're able to book. I think it's about 2 weeks out. So we were able to get all the necessary people in, and we've got a huge chunk of time.
Yeah.
We'll all show up and get our rapid antigen tests because for us, that's what's going to work.
And we do have people coming in from out of state as well. So they're going to have to book tests. Like we've been telling them, try to book it where you are because obviously flying down and then trying to test here doesn't really make a lot of sense because if you test positive, then you can't go. So it doesn't make a lot of sense.
Yeah,
so
and we can't be around you if we test negative.
Right. So that's the whole thing. So we're trying to get those people to test where they are. So that should be happening here pretty soon too.
And then flowers. Flowers are done. The bouquets are done. The petals, everything is set up. My dress is good. Your suit is good.
Almost. It's being tailored right now. So yeah, it should be done. I think they said the 27th? Yeah.
So we're waiting for that phone call.
Yeah. So that should be happening pretty soon. But yeah, so that's in the works.
And then, we did the cruise shirts.
We did.
You want to talk about those?
Yeah, so shout out to Custom Cruise Wear. They're amazing. We've used them before, not for anything that we designed ourselves or that we were having done custom, but like we've been on the cruise Facebook pages and they post them. And so we purchased from them before. And then so for this one, we decided that we were going to do a custom shirt.
Yeah.
And so we've got the proof for it, right? Yeah, so we'll add the proof here in the video. But yeah, so it's going to be really cool. We're going to have those. So our entire group is going to be on there for the second day. So first day, we're going to still be in our wedding attire because, again, we are going to get married and then get right on the ship. And then that first sea day, what we're going to do is wear those shirts. I'm going to have our whole party wear those shirts that day. So it's going to be really cool.
Yeah, we're really excited. So Custom Cruise Wear, phenomenal to work with. We did already book a whole bunch of water too. Went into the fun shop and booked all the things that we wanted waiting for us in our rooms, things that we didn't have to carry on. So
right. So yeah, there's bottles of water scheduled to be in almost everyone's room. Most people are gonna have a pack of or a 12 pack of water in their room. So that'll be really cool for them.
And then the things that we still have left to do. So the kids have started with their, like, you know, swimwear, their shorts and things, because it's a little chilly. So they're not wearing a whole lot of shorts right now to school. So they've started packing. That packing is partially complete.
And you think that's it. So surprise, she doesn't even know this yet. So I'm off today, but a lot of my packing is already done too.
Well done, look at you.
Yeah, so my swimwear is all good to go. Most of my shirts and things like that. Obviously, I need to wear some of that stuff between now and the cruise, so that stuff can't be packed. But most of my stuff is already packed. Like my shoes, all that's good to go already. So we're getting there.
Someone's excited, and
I don't know what you're talking about.
So, and then something else that he did for me. So we like ducks. The duck trend, and for those of you who don't know what that is or what that's all about, we will have another video at some point explaining in depth what this is about. But short story, ducks get hidden on the ship. We have special ducks for this ship, for this trip, and he took care of the tags, so we got to print those out, get them affixed, make sure our ducks are ready to go so we can hide them on the ship for others to find.
Yeah, so that'd be really cool. So yeah, I custom made some tags a little earlier. I use a template that we used before, and then change some things around for this particular trip. So
because they need sign and sale cards.
They do. The ducks need sign and sale cards, so they'll have them, and they're gold.
Yes.
So they're the gold level. So they're looking really good. So good for the ducks. We're not even gold yet, but somehow the ducks are. So
it's all right.
That's where we are. And then so what else?
Yeah, replenishing medication. So all the stuff that we're going to carry on, because you don't want to be buying that stuff in the gift shop if you don't have to. It's definitely there at a markup. So
yeah, it's a lot more expensive on the ship. So we obviously bring it with us as much as we possibly can. And then because we have so many new people who this is going to be their first time ever cruising, we don't know how they're going to handle the seasickness and that kind of thing. So we're going to have multiple seasickness solutions, because some are better than others, just depending on the person. And it's kind of an individualized thing we've kind of learned to realize like recently is we want to have multiple solutions for people, so that way if one thing doesn't work, hopefully something else will, and we can kind of swap those things out. So we've got multiple things for that, just to make sure that everybody's covered. So we're trying to coordinate as best as we can for not just ourselves, but for the people that we're bringing with us. Like I said, especially those people who are new cruisers, because there's quite a bit of new cruisers this time on the ship that we're bringing with us. So we want to make sure that we're watching out for them as well, and that we're giving them all the information that we can, and anything that we can do to help out, we're trying to make sure that we do that. So things like bringing the extra medication and that kind of stuff, we just want to be prepared for them as well.
Yeah, and then one last thing still to do. So there is an 80s theme night on the ship, and the 80s wear is pretty simple to find. Like I went on Amazon, found my outfit, and a couple other of the ladies that are coming with us have outfits from there. But it's not easy to find kid stuff. So I am doing like a little easy DIY tulle skirt. We've got Kat's finished, but now I'm working on Bella's. And who knows, depending on how much time there is, maybe I'll do my own, but we'll see.
So yeah, and then packing, obviously, she talked about some of that earlier. We started to get everybody else packed, but that process has definitely begun. We're well underway as far as packing is concerned, so we'll keep updates about that kind of stuff. We also had a really good packing video before, so if you want to check that out, she did a great video about what she likes to pack and things like that. So if you want to check out more about packing, that video will be here as well. And then printing all the travel documents, and we talk about the medications as well. So we just got to print all that stuff out. We'll be good to go. So yeah, we are looking pretty good.
Yeah, we should see some other things checked off that list as early as tomorrow.
Yeah. So like I said, the plan is to give you guys an update hopefully every day, but if we don't quite get that, sorry in advance for that, but we're going to try. We have very busy schedules. Like we both work full time. We're both in school. We've got 4 kids.
That's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot going on, so it's hard for us to get these videos out on a regular basis, but we will do our best, and hopefully we can get you guys one every day between now and the day that we leave for the cruise. Yeah. They won't be quite this long because this was a recap of everything we've done up to this point. From here on out, it'll just be, you know, where we are as of that day. But anyway, so that's where we're at. Again, if you want to follow along with this, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below. Let us know what you guys think about where everything's at. Are you cruising soon? Let us know.
Yeah, and one more thing. If you want to throw in the comments below Team Bride or Team Groom as to whether or not there will be a first dance. Who do you think is going to win this? Because someone is trying to get out of dancing because the reception is changing. We're gonna make it happen.
I'm not a dancing kind of person.
We're gonna make it
happen. So I'm gonna go with no dance.
Yeah. So Team Groom is no dance. Team Bride, let's make it happen. Can we do it?
Come, guys, help me out. Please help me out. I need some help here.
We will see you guys later. You have a good one.
Thanks. See you guys.
Bye.